So now we need to create a test suite to run all of our test cases. So you saw that you can run the test cases through, or the requests through the project, but this is not a really good way to do it. SoapUI is meant to run the test cases through a test suite, and I will show you why here. So I'm going to collapse this a little bit. So we're going to do a right click on the service, hit generate test suite, and then just leave these options are fine. So one test case for each resource and everything is selected. Hit OK. A name for the test suite, so pokeapi.co test suite, so that's fine. So I'm going to hit OK. All right. So you can see, oops, that this test suite was created. So just like the project, there's going to be a bunch of default stuff that's going to come with it. So let's see. So here's the test suite is the folder, highest level. Here's a test case. Test case is actually acts like a folder because within a test case there are test steps. We're not going to worry about load and security tests in this tutorial, but those are other things out there available that you can add. So like I mentioned, test suite is the folder. So this test suite contains multiple test cases, and a test case contains multiple test steps. So let me explain what a test step is. So a test step is pretty much what it sounds like. It's the things that you need to be done in a specific order in order to execute your test. So for SoapUI, you would be doing things like load data, and then you would issue the request, and then you would do an assertion. So loading data would be one test step, and then issuing the request and the assertion would be another test step. So for now, we're just going to keep it simple. We're just going to do a single test step, which is the request. So we already have that information filled out from our project. Let's grab this here. So just like in the project, you can run this, and it should do exactly the same thing.